Hey guys, how are you all doing? I'm Ed from Parqueteto, and in this video, I'm going to give you several tips to help you decorate your house or your apartment. This is a project that I'm delivering to my client, an 88 square meter apartment. We did the design and also handled the execution from the floor to the ceiling, going through every stage of this project. Here. So, I want to give you a tour, a walkthrough of everything we included in the project that we executed, and it will be useful for you. Come here, I want to start with the laundry room, okay? Come here. Here we designed custom furniture to accommodate his washer and dryer tower, okay? The washer and dryer are here with this white countertop, or whatever you want to call it. A low cabinet, nice and simple, a cabinet to hide the water heater, and an overhead cabinet here as well. Look how cool this is. Look, something I really like to use in my projects is this product here. Look, a retractable wall-mounted clothesline, okay? This is really cool. I used two of them here in his apartment, one on top and one on the bottom. There are 80 cm 1 meter, 1.20 meters, and 60 cm options. I'll leave the link to where I bought it for you down below in the description. Alright, coming back to the kitchen now, there are a lot of interesting things, a lot of cool stuff here in the kitchen that I want to tell you about. From the induction cooktop, built-in gas oven, this LED here on the kitchen wall, which I think is awesome, including this shelf that I really like. The range hood is here, okay? A lot of people asked me in previous videos I made, where's the range hood? Look at the range hood here. Let me turn on its lights. See? Here's the range hood. It's a slim range hood that we installed here. We have a white quartz countertop, which is the same as the countertop over there and the same as the counter over there. Single lever faucet here as well, okay? Hot water, cold water, satin finish floor. It's a large tile, 1.20 meters by 1.20 meters. Here we have a dishwasher microwave. I placed it on this side in the project and the refrigerator right next to it. And come here. Wait a second. Look at this interesting thing. Sliding door embedded inside the wall. Okay guys, look at this. Forget about that traditional glass door where one panel is fixed here and the other one moves. This is the door you need to use. Look, you go, oops, the key got stuck. You press it and it stays hidden inside the wall. You press it and it comes out from inside the wall. I'll also leave the link for you to buy it. It's on the Automize website, which is our partner. Use the coupon ARC7 to get a discount. There. Alright, let's go over there because the kitchen looks amazing. Now, the living room, seriously, let me tell you something. Look at this counter here. We made this counter to make the most of the cabinetry with built-in cabinets, a microwave niche down here, and this beautiful counter that serves as a spot for a quick snack in his daily routine. Look, how cool is that? Someone's there moving around the kitchen and there's someone sitting here at the counter. Nice and relaxed. I've already told you guys that a kitchen counter needs to be like this. You know those counters that go up like this? I hate those, I don't like them, I don't use them in my projects. The kind where you come up and it goes up like this. Oh yeah, but there's a cooktop on the other side. Here on my island it's fine, we can even consider it, but it has to be like this. See, I like it this way. Actually, it even goes down on the side. See this stone? It goes down making this whole outline here, okay? Come here, since I'm here on this high counter of mine. I have a stone niche with a wine cooler here that we included in the project, and this niche is where he's going to put his coffee maker. Something here matching our whole project. We have a stone here in Verde Ubatuba. Look at the kitchen over there. See, look at the kitchen stone, the kitchen wall stone. Notice that we have a set of colors here that go together from the beige of the furniture matching with the floor. It's between the green here in the niche and the green over there on our countertop, right? Here we have a panel with a camouflage door, this beautiful door right here. Hold on, we're about to go into the bedrooms, okay? I want to tell you about this here. This is his office. Look, we made a custom wood desk, a tall cabinet, LED underneath, lighting too, really cool. And this door, when he's inside his office, working here using the computer, if there's someone here, he can simply close the door panels and have privacy in his office. Okay, this is amazing, this type of door here, right? I really liked it, I enjoyed it a lot. It even opens from both sides, look, okay? If you want to open it from both sides, you can. If you want to leave it halfway, you can do that too. Look how cool this is, see how beautiful it is. It's a project we made that we created and included in the design. He loved it. And then we brought it here with our glazier. See? Isn't it cool? Let's talk a little about the balcony. We already had a darker stone there on the barbecue counter, and he ended up not wanting to change it. We kept it. We made this counter from the same material as that stone over there, so he could have a counter here by his barbecue. He's here, look, he took his barbecue here, put it here, and served the people who are at the table, you know? And then we have this division here, the barbecue room with the gourmet table here, right? His gourmet balcony here is exactly his barbecue corner. We covered this here with porcelain tiles, 120 by 120. This used to be open. We built a drywall here. Look, to hide it and make a nice looking barbecue, aesthetically pleasing, right? And look, we have combinations of greens here. We have a green here that's the same green that's over here. Matching with the green of the sofa and complementing it with this black countertop that's here. We have this organic table with this chandelier right here in this balcony of ours, which basically became his dining room. You know, there's this whole panel, which is fresco, right? We call this wood here fresco. Including covering the entrance door with this whole big panel here, which is the same as the one here. It's the same as the one over there inside his office. And the same green that's over there is the green that's here in the living room, matching our sofa. Come here, let's go in now into the hallway that leads to the bedrooms. Okay, let's go to the single bedroom first. Look at this beautiful bedroom. Look guys, here we have vinyl flooring in the rooms. We have the single wardrobes here. The double one is also very beautiful. Linen wallpaper is what I always tell you to use in the bedrooms and what I use in my projects. Linen wallpaper is this wallpaper here that you should use in your project. I'll leave for you down here in the description the model and where you can buy this type of wallpaper, linen wallpaper. It's really beautiful and it feels great when you run your hand over it. It's awesome. We have lighting there on that low panel here on the headboard of the bed. Look at that beautiful lighting, see? And we also have the illuminated curtain rod with this cool curtain we put here, and we have this little panel here as well. Look, where we put the television and the air conditioner up here with this shelf to solve this issue. Here in the single bedroom, now come here, come to the master bedroom with me. The hallway turned out really fancy, let's put it that way. Really nice too. Why vinyl flooring? We separated the living room from the hallway, right? And then we had a private hall. Let's put it this way. For the guest bathroom, come here. Here's the guest bathroom. We used the same flooring as the living room, but in smaller dimensions, 90 by 90. With this beautiful wall covering here, there are black fixtures, a shower enclosure, and the shower frame is black. A white countertop as well, which is the same material as the kitchen, with this vessel sink and a black faucet too. Look at this guest bathroom. It's really nice to see. Come here, let's go in now since we're talking about bathrooms, into the master bathroom, into the master bathroom. We had a little problem that we solved with this type of shower enclosure. Here, look, it's a folding panel, okay? If I put two fixed panels, the passage here would be too narrow, so we chose this model. We have a lighted niche as well, also in the guest bathroom, and here is a design of the guest bathroom. What changes are the coverings, because the niches, cabinetry, and sink are all the same. In fact, we have here, look, a mirror with a sliding door on this piece of furniture right here. From the bathroom in the suite, now come here, come into the suite with me. Look, what a beautiful suite, man, tell the truth. Curtain, I always tell you guys, okay, the curtain should go from floor to ceiling. It can't stop in the middle, all right? The curtain is like this, from floor to ceiling with a lit curtain rod. Wallpaper on the headboard of the bed, look at this. Is this the wallpaper you should use? Did I tell you about the other room, the single one? Linen wallpaper on the headboard of the bed. I really like to use this type of decoration. A custom-made headboard with linen wallpaper with this LED you see here, giving this wash of light on my linen wallpaper wall, right? And then, to complement, we put a side table here with this beautiful pendant that's here, and the panel which is the design of the single bedroom. Okay, we are, let's say, as soon as we wrapped it, we covered this entire wall with cabinetry to place the television and the air conditioner up there. And here are the wardrobes. And the cool thing is that on this side here, we have a wardrobe, and the doors open using these grooves we left here in the cabinetry. See? It's cool with a soft close mechanism. See how nice that is? And then notice that we have a cabinet here, a smaller, narrower wardrobe. What is this narrower wardrobe for that I included in the project? It's for him to store his sneakers, see? But it's cool. Here he'll be able to store more things and also keep his sneakers. So we created a shoe rack in this wardrobe, thinner, narrower, right here on this side. Here we also used vinyl flooring, right? From the hallway to the bedrooms, it was all vinyl flooring. And here we have a mirror, a beautiful mirror here in the suite's bedroom so the client can see himself every day, right? To get ready anyway, so we could make use of this wall here in the suite's bedroom, okay? Now come here. Let's finish the video here in the living room. It's a really nice tour, right? We have air conditioning, cassette on the ceiling, sound system. Notice that there are 4 speakers here, 2 out on the balcony, and the subwoofer is right here on the side. So, it's a project we did from scratch, a project where we suggested these colors to the client, Frajo wood, carpentry, we put in a very light floor, we matched the green of the sofa with the furniture. He simply loved it, really enjoyed it, liked it a lot. The kitchen also turned out amazing with this big counter here. It's really beautiful. And it's a project that I'm delivering to my client today. So what am I going to ask you? Share this video for me, okay? Take this video and send it to that person you know is about to start a renovation. And then maybe it will give them some ideas. They'll watch the video and say something like this. Wow, I like this television stand. Wow, I like these chairs here. Wow, I like this countertop. So it can be an inspiration for you too, okay? Share it, subscribe to the channel. All the items you saw here, which I recommend in my projects, are down below in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, liked this tour, this beautiful, wonderful project that we just finished. We're delivering it to our client today, okay? A hug and see you in the next video.